Okay, welcome back to Showman Down Under and another Wednesday unboxing. Let's get this one started with a soap. Indigo Oud Rust Belt Reserve. Oh, it's a Shannon soap. Excellent. Excellent. This will be in really... Shannon soaps are good soaps. Has this been used? Hard to tell. Not much scent there. I don't know how old these are. And it comes with a splash. So I'll get into that one day. Let's put that there, we can see it. Look at this bad boy. A few people are guessing right now what it could be. Let's open it up. So it's either a big boy or a big fellow. I can't remember which one. But it's in nice condition. Blades, a bit of... Maybe it's some of that that's come off, or a bit of lacquer. Just make sure that does up. It does. Actually, these are a really beautiful weighted and feeling razor. Just lovely size. I can't wait to shave this in a video. Let's put it back on. I don't know if this... No, this looks... Something's telling me this is replated, but I'm not 100% sure. But we'll come back to it at some stage. Your guess is as good as mine. I don't know. Oh, maybe I do know. Is that up the right way? So this is a Track 2 razor. Been seeing these on the market, and then they finally got my curiosity. And the reason why I bought this one is it still has all the blades. I don't know if that's going to click down in there properly, but we'll just leave it as it is. So I think this is one of the first cartridge razors from Gillette, but this is obviously their upmarket one at the time. Not sure I'd go actually use it to try it, but you never know. Not even sure how that comes off. Alright, let's put you to one side. Let's do another shave soap. Creme de Barber Omega. Oh, this is a big tube. And sealed up. Lovely. Alright, this is another mystery. Oh, let's turn that over. Pomco, Chicago. Made in Germany. It's free the tuck. And this little beauty marked up is, as you can see, a slant. So made in Germany. Lovely stuff. Two-piece by the looks. Another razor I'll be very interested in trying out. I think I got that for a fairly good price. How are we going on time there? Alright, let's dig into this green package. There's definitely a razor in there. But what sort, I cannot tell you at this stage. Okay. Ah, right. So this is a Gillette. And this is a common bar handle, but this is a thin common bar handle. And I believe it may be silver plated, but if it's not silver, it's nickel. So these are fairly rare to find. And that's the reason why I bought it, because it is not the most common razor out there. I must admit, I do prefer the fatter handle. Oh, another Gillette knife, office knife. Exactly the same. So I just bought that one off a whim. I like these, they're pretty cool. Okay, we'll leave it at that, and we'll come back next week with another unboxing video. Ciao for now.